Hi everyone. So today we have a collection of tags, like 6 tags in total, and we'll be studying about 3 of them today, and on the following day we'll be continuing the next 3 tags. Those 6 tags are block quote, queue, ABBR, address, site, and bidirectional override. So as I said you, first we'll be discussing only the first 3 tags, that is block quote tag, queue tag, and the ABVR tag. Block quote stands for the element which defines a section that is quoted from another source. Means if we have obtained a particular section of the HTML code from any other source and we want to mention that yes, this has been obtained from any other source, so we can write those contents within block quote. And here's the ending part, like we need slash for the ending block quote statement. Then comes the short quotations, like if we have short quotations for anything, like insert quotation marks directly, like any small phrases which we have used from any other browser or any other website or any other person's blog or something which is not ours, then we can use this quotations queue to define that tag. Thirdly, there's ABBR tag, which means abbreviations. Like if we have a full word like HTML, hypertext markup language, and we want to abbreviate it to HTML only, short form, so it is used to give a short form and a full form, like abbreviation or an acronym we might say. It is useful for the browser and search engines to locate it. And the next 3 tags we will see later on. So let's check how does this block quote, queue, and ABBR tag works. Going to the program, Sublime Text. So here's the code. Here we have used the block quote statement. We can see here it ends. So here we have written a citation. We'll be talking about citations on the next day. Just remember that we have written this information in the block quote because it has been obtained from this citation. Okay. Then comes the another tag, like we discussed queue tag for quotations. So here's a small quotation, so we used this queue tag here to mention this particular group of words. And thirdly, we discussed the abbreviation. So World Health Organization is the abbreviation here, which is defined as a short form WHO, and here the abbreviation tag ends. And further, if we like to give any information within the paragraph, we have given it. And the rest 3 tags we'll be discussing on next day. So let us run it and see how the first 3 works. See, here's the first one. For nearly 60 years, this what we used with block quotations. And secondly, we used quotations within this one from build. Sorry, yeah, this one. So we can see it's within quotes, double quote is here, from build to nature, double quote. And then comes the acronym. So here we can see the acronym WHO is mentioned below within a bracket, World Health Organization, and it has been described with many dots, so it represents an acronym. And okay, thank you. Stay tuned for getting more videos like this. Thank you.